Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become invisible in Berry Avenue. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you the secret invisibility hack that's taking the game by storm. So, this is what you are going to do. First, you can just click on the avatar menu on the right side of your screen. Click on the clothes icon in here and click on jackets. Now you can just tap on this cat, click on it, and after that you can just click on the menu in here, click on the equip menu, and now you can just remove all of the other accessory except the cat. So just remove it one by one. And you can just tap on done, and just like that, now you'll become invisible on Berry Avenue. So that's pretty much all. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. If you love fun secrets and crazy glitches, subscribe and click on the thanks for more Berry Avenue tips, secrets, and epic roleplay hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!